morning, guys. It is currently December 7th, 8:46 a.m. and I'm waking up and getting an early start to the day. Today I am going to be attempting to dye my hair. Not really my hair, my wig. I'm gonna dye my wig a certain color, probably blue, but I just wanted to make a small disclaimer before we hop into this video. I am not a professional. I don't do hair. I don't know how to do hair. I wing it most of the time. So I'm gonna go to Sally's and I'm gonna see if I can find a color that I like, a color that kind of like, you know, fits the mood and just the existential crisis I'm going through right now. We'll see where it goes. So like, let's go. Really scared about doing this. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Every single time I cut lace off of wigs, I always mess them up. So I'm just really nervous about that part. As we are currently at Sally's and I'm gonna go inside. It's a gross day here where I live. It's just like sleeting and like, it never sleets, and sleets is just a random word.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So the first thing that comes to mind is this shark blue shade. I think it's really pretty and I kind of want like a gray type of blue. So this might work. Didn't want to go this dark, and this is like so basic. So many people have these colors. Okay, check. Alright, I got a whole bag of Sally's goodies that and coupons. I got a whole bag of Sally goodies that I'm ready to play with. Now I gotta go to Walmart. Now I'm gonna go to Walmart and get a bucket, get some things that I need to dye the wig. So. Okay guys, so I'm currently back home. Also, I don't know if I told you guys, but I changed my shirt because I don't want to get any dye on my good clothes. So that's why I'm wearing a different shirt. If I didn't tell you guys before, that's why. I'm gonna use some Shimmer Lights conditioning shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna wash it with these two so that I can kind of bring up the color a little bit, and the blue just takes to it very nicely. This is the wig that I got. Honestly, I don't really know the name of the store. I will put it down below if you guys want to know, but it's just a very short, like 8-inch wig. It's blonde. It's a 613, and I'm just going to, yeah, wash it. I'm gonna wash it. It's super soft, like the hair is super soft, but I'm just gonna wash it and with this stuff and see how much lighter we can get it. Okay, so now that that's chilling, I'm just going to show you guys the colors that I got. Okay, so the colors that I got were from Ion, which is the Blue Shark Semi-Permanent Brights. And it looks like this. It's like a light, frosty blue shade. And then I got this one. It's from Wella. And I wanted to just mix these two colors, a little bit of the light blue in here. So I'm gonna do that. Now I'm just gonna get the hot water and I'm gonna pour it into the bucket. Colors that I purchased into the water. I'm gonna put a whole tube of the Intensive Shine Bright Semi-Permanent Cream Hair Color. I'm just gonna squeeze all of that into here. Squeeze all of that into the hot water. The entire tube, as much as I can. I don't think I did this right. I think I did it wrong. I'm just gonna keep on going because I just don't care at this point. So I'm gonna just squeeze a little bit of this in here, like half a bottle. And I'm just gonna, again, mix that in. Okay, so the color looks purple, it doesn't look blue. So I'm kind of confused on what this is gonna look like, but I'm gonna go ahead and dip the wig in there and just hope for the best. I'm just gonna put it down in there. And I'm gonna leave it in there for a little bit and just move it around. And see what happens, because honestly I have no idea. Okay guys, so this is basically what it looks like. I think that's the best I'm gonna get. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like definitely two-toned. It's definitely a two-tone color, but I think that's the best I'm gonna get. So I'm just gonna wring it out. Okay, don't mind all the mess. It's just like my makeup and hair station. But this is basically what the color looks like. I am not a big fan of the streakiness. It is kind of streaky, but I mean, I still really like the color. Honestly, I feel like it's really pretty. It's like a two-toned, I guess. It looks like this is kind of already customized, like they kind of already have it customized. But I'm just gonna customize it a bit more. Okay, so basically I'm just like putting on some hair glue for the wig to stay down. To be honest with you, automatically when I see this color, I think of thing 1 and thing 2. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. This is my first time really seeing it in like a real light. What is that? I'm so shook right now. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. I kind of low-key feel like a smurf. I'm not gonna lie. Feel like when I really do my makeup and really just like put myself together, it will look good. At the end of the day, it is a wig, and you know, you can do whatever you want. You can take it off, put it on. So I think I'll play with it a little bit and see what happens. But so far, I like it. I just need to figure out how to style it more. I need to like take more time like braiding my hair down so it's not as big and just flattening out and stuff. But yeah, guys, this is like what it looks like. This is it. I look like thing 1 and thing 2's mom, but so I think I'm gonna do a makeup look with my blue hair. Comment down below if you guys want to see that. Comment down below if you guys like this color on me. I don't know if I can even pull it off. I feel like it's bold, so just let me know what you guys think. I am curious to know. Oh my god, my hair is blue. So I'm just gonna go now, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.